Hey, what's up everyone? It's me, Geraldine, and today I'm going to show you how I make bulletproof coffee. There's a lot of different ways that you can make it, a lot of different ingredients and devices that you can use. In this case, I'm using a Keurig and some ghee as well as MCT oil from Sprouts, and I don't know what type of coffee this is, but I'm using it. So the first step is make sure you have all the ingredients. Get whatever mug that you're going to end up using and a spoon. So let me just grab one down here. And what I typically do is I put about 1.5 teaspoons of ghee. You don't have to necessarily use that amount. I recommend trying it and seeing what you like best, but that's what I do. So I'm basically just gonna scoop out 1.5 teaspoons, and I kind of eyeball it. I don't use any type of measuring spoon. I just kind of scoop it out. If you're very particular, then you could go ahead and do that, but I just use a regular spoon. Put that to the side. And then what you want to do is make sure that your Keurig is preheated and then put in your coffee. This is the old one. I'm going to replace it with a new. Once you've gotten your coffee pot in, just put your cup with the ghee underneath the Keurig and set it to whatever amount of ounces you want inside of your cup. In my case, I put 10, and let that go through. So what's going to happen is the hot coffee is going to drip onto your ghee, and that way it'll melt it down. And once that's complete and your final drips have come through, go ahead and take your mug and mix up the coffee a little bit. Once that's complete, go ahead and take your MCT oil. Again, it doesn't really matter what brand. MCT oil doesn't really have flavor. And I typically just eyeball it. You can measure it if you want, but I just go like this. And I just put a few quick drips of it, and then I mix it together again, and I typically wait a couple minutes before I drink it because I want to make sure that everything mixes together. I like when I drink my bulletproof coffee not too hot. So that's it. You just drink it. I typically sip it throughout the next 10 minutes or so. I feel like it's a lot more comforting than drinking black coffee, which I also like too. But this is really great if you're on the keto diet or any other type of low carb diet as well. And that's how you make bulletproof coffee. Remember to like this video if you like it, subscribe, and share with your friends as well. Talk to you later. Bye.